Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Berkshire Hathaway Insurance online step by step clearly. To activate your Berkshire Hathaway Insurance online, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Berkshire Hathaway Insurance website. Look for the login or sign in option on the home page and click it. If you're a first-time user, locate the Activate Account link. Click on the Activate Account link to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your policy number. Next, provide your personal information as requested, including your name and email address. After filling in the required details, create a secure password. Make sure your password meets the specified criteria for security. Review the information you have entered for accuracy. Once everything is correct, click the Submit button. You should see a confirmation message informing you that your account has been activated. Check your email for a confirmation notification from Berkshire Hathaway Insurance. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email to complete setup. Log in using your newly created credentials to access your account. You can now manage your insurance policy online efficiently. For any issues during the activation process, contact customer support for assistance. Remember to keep your login information secure for future access. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your Berkshire Hathaway Insurance online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.